Hi everyone, I'm Thomas Dussara, founder at Viva Gtm. I'm delighted to show you what it is to learn with us through our e-learning platform. So quick demo now. You have your space here. So whenever you select trainings, I will send you the link to your access page. You can add a photo of you here in order to make it more interactive because you can converse with other learners online. So that's what we want. We want it to be, I would say, more dynamic. So here you have access to a first training called Introduction to Ecosystem Orchestrated Sales for GTM Leader. And basically, you have all the steps. So we start with an introduction and pre-learning assessment. We keep going with module 1, 2, 3, 4 until the conclusion and key takeaways and a post-learning assessment. We arrive at the quiz for you to pass your exam. Once you have passed your exam, you will get your badge to put on your LinkedIn profile and also your diploma that I will send you by email. And you will also have a market statistics and bibliography section, which is really like the part where you can rediscover some books if you want to deep dive further on any specific aspect of the training you've been going through. So let's deep dive on how it looks like when you start. So for example, here in the introduction and pre-learning assessment, you will start the training with a video. So I introduce you a little bit more about the context of the video. You can access also the text, other videos, and of course, a pre-learning assessment. So usually each module is made of a mix of video, of text, of assessments, of exercises online to check your knowledge. And also we are sharing more media like articles, etc. So expect to have a mix of different material so that your experience online is as interactive as possible. So whenever you click on a specific training, you will see the name of the lesson. Usually there is 3 to 6 lessons per module. There is always a mix of a video that goes through all the content and also some text. So depending on where you are, if you're on your computer or on your mobile phone, you can choose whatever is more relevant for you. As I mentioned before, you have access to some specific reports. We are trying to give you insights from companies like, I would say, Forbes, from Canalys, from Gartner, from Salesforce, PwC, etc., in order to really frame your knowledge and give you insight that you can share with your peers and colleagues. And whenever you finish a training, you always have a section very important for you, which is success stories. Our objective is for you to finish training with stories to share on a daily basis in your role. Whether you are an account executive, you are a partner manager, a customer success manager, an account manager, it doesn't matter. You need to be able to feed your ecosystem with stories and inspire them. So success stories are actionable insights. And every time you will finish your training with a quick check on your knowledge, so you can rate whether you have understood well the concepts or not. And it really makes it more interactive again. So each lesson will be this way. If we move to the last section of the training, so for example, here, whenever you're finished all the lessons, you head to the conclusion part. So let's have a look at how it looks like. So you will have the key takeaways and the conclusion. In this section, you can find something very important, which is a playbook. So you can download a playbook, which will be a summary of all that you've learned during the training. You will have key takeaways and a strategic conclusion. And I can see on the left section, you will have post-learning survey, but also capstone project. So capstone project will be, you will have 3 capstone projects for each learning, which is a great opportunity for you to transform your learning into concrete examples. So to put into practice what you've learned into your current role at your current company. And this is what we want. We want the training to be digestible and actionable and to really put into practice the learnings you've been capturing during this training. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I wish you an amazing experience with us and speak to you soon. Take care.